Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos from Vimeo, assuming that they don't have downloads enabled, without needing a tool or extension or whatever. So, step one, you want to get the URL of the Vimeo video using DevTools. So, in this example, we're going to download this video, so you can right-click and go to Inspect. And what we're going to be looking for here, let me just close this, is player.vimeo.com. So when you're in this area, you can do Command or Control F and look for player.vimeo. I see 6 of them here, I guess. And we want to find one with the video ID. So let's just take this one here. I'm going to double click, copy it, and I'm going to paste it up here and see if it gives me what I want. That looks like the same video. Cool, so you now have isolated the video there. Next, what you want to do is download Streamlink. So open up your terminal and brew, if you have Homebrew, brew install Streamlink. I already have it, so it's probably just going to update or something, which I will pause so you don't have to watch that happen. Alright, so this is Homebrew. If you don't already have Homebrew and you're on a Mac, then you can download that first, but I'm assuming you already have Homebrew. And if you're on a Windows or something else, actually it's Mac or Linux, but if you're on Windows, then you can go figure it out some other way. Now, what we want to do after we have installed Streamlink is we want to construct the following command. So it's going to be Streamlink space, then it's going to be this URL, and you're going to replace this with the Vimeo ID. So up here, you can see we have this right there. So we're going to say, I'm just going to go to my desktop and I'm going to say Streamlink, and I'm going to paste in that URL. And then we're going to say best, tick O, and then we're going to put in the file path to download video 2. I kind of made a typo there. Anyways. So if I want to do it to my desktop on Mac, I can just do it like that. So I'm going to say best and O for output. So this is obviously resolution, output, and we want it to output it to the desktop, which I have nothing on my desktop. Actually, this is the wrong monitor anyways, but it doesn't matter. So now I'm going to click enter there. And Streamlink is going to go fetch this video, which is this video, download it, and see, it found it in 240, 360, 540, whatever. And there we go. It's written to my desktop, which is now over here. So if I open this, go away.
In ViewMaster,
you can now see that I have the Vimeo video there. And that's all there is to it. So just go ahead, follow along with these instructions, and happy downloading.